how are you? This is Peruvian Lucky Accessors. So let's see what we got. I got the mayor already. 10 cents, 48 bucks, maximum bet. So let's continue. Come on. Okay, 25 bucks. Come on, something. What? 75 bucks. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Come on, keep it going.
Still going?
Yeah. See, yeah. That's good, that's good. The grand is 5,000. Alright. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on, bird. Yeah, come on. Yes, that's what I'm talking. 75 bucks, that's good. 100 bucks. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Keep it going. Alright. 25. What?
Oh, I got it. I got it to an extra spin.
Come on. 25. Come on. Come on. Yes. 50 bucks. Yeah, keep it going. 50 bucks over there. Come on. Give me a minor or mini. Oh my God. 750 bucks. Wow. That was a good one. 75 bucks. 75. Come on, some minor or mini in the screen. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Okay. Keep it going. 25. Wow. 750 again. Oh my God. This is gonna be like 4,000 more or something like that. Oh wow, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Come on, keep it going. 500 bucks. Come on, I want the minor or mini. Do it. Come on. Okay, 100 bucks. Come on, you can do it. One more. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Wow. Yeah. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yay. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Peruvian Lucky. Yay! Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yay! Accessor, till next time. Woohoo!